Vanakkam, welcome to Jyoti Silamam Kshatriya Gurukulam. Today we are talking about that online classes, the virtual classes. So we already told about that we are starting our international virtual center. It's one of the divisions of Gurukulam. So in the virtual center, we are giving a lot of therapy classes, like people have injuries, like exercising and getting injuries. People have physical issues, people have the mental issues, people have not understanding the proper movements. So we are all doing that, refixing all of the movements. So this is a virtual center was newly started to spread this art on proper manner, proper way. So that is why we are starting these classes because the students can't travel to all the way from US, all the way from Australia, UK, Canada. So I want to give these classes to spread all the world through the virtual center. So now we are recently we are planning to start the weight loss classes. People who want to reduce the weights. Okay, reducing a weight is not something is easy, and it's we have to work with your mental body and physical body. So the mental body and physical body, you have to understanding yourself together and work with it. Someone tell him, I want to lose 5 kilos, sir. I want to lose 3 kilo. I want to do 2 kilo. So it's not about you to plan to lose how many kilo. It's about your body. You have to depends on the body, depends on your mindset, depends on your food style, how much kilo you can lose in this period of time. People think it's not the mathematical numbers. You have to lose 3 kilo, 2 kilo, 5 kilo, 6 kilo, 7 kilo. It's not that like that. So on that way, you really want to lose. Why you want to lose? If you're losing in that, what is a problem you have to face? Or already you are fit, already you are not fit. Already sometimes your people think they are fit. They are not thinking they are fit. It depends on the feeling, how they feel it. So sometimes people think a different shape, but they are fit. Sometimes people in shape, but they don't feel fit. So it depends on that feeling, depends on the look as well. Fit is not come from the looking. The fit is come from your living, how you feel, how you express the body to this living. That is a fitness. So the fitness is we are giving a classes for losing a body weight. So we are training the mind body and then physical body. So mental body, we are teaching how do you reduce your weight, how do you eat, what you not eat, why you can't eat this. So that is comes under your mental body. You have to control your discipline, control your lifestyle, control your food style, everything. So physical body, you have to take a strong discipline. You have to practice on 1 hour, 2-3 movement only. So 2-3 movement to follow up 1 hour non-stop. It's not 108 times, not for 10 times, not for 20 times. So you have to lose that type of fitness we are starting. Also we are starting the other courses called infertility course for 48 days. People are, what is mean fertility courses? People are in infertility, you can come for these classes. You know the people are lost their own immunity. So your own immunity, own strength they build. So we are building our own strength and immunity power, working on all your organs through these classes. So 2 different classes we are starting soon, and how many people will join, and then we are pack up the time and then making a classes on this. This is my class, it was a master class. People who are interested, you can call us and you can join. Thank you.